In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under 500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3. The Anycubic Kobra 3 3D printer represents a cutting-edge innovation in additive manufacturing, integrating advanced features to enhance user experience and printing capabilities. With dimensions of 17.8 inches in diameter, 19.8 inches in width, and 19 inches in height, and weighing 9.2 kilograms, it offers a sturdy build suited for various personal and professional settings. Key highlights include its multicolor printing capability enabled by the Anycubic Ace Pro, supporting up to 4 colors currently and expanding to 8 colors with future upgrades. The printer boasts high-speed performance, reaching speeds up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm² acceleration, significantly faster than traditional FDM printers. Innovative features such as nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, and vibration compensation through accelerometer G sensors ensure efficient, reliable, and high-quality prints. Designed for ease of use, the Kobra 3 combo integrates auto-leveling and dynamic structure, promising a seamless entry into the world of 3D printing while offering advanced functionalities to unleash creative possibilities. Number 2. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M series is a versatile 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision. Supporting a variety of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETGCF, with PC/ASA enclosure, it features dimensions of 15.83 inches in diameter, 14.29 inches in width, and 17.64 inches in height, weighing 23.8 pounds. This printer offers one-click automatic printing with impeccable bed leveling, ensuring consistent adhesion and flawless first layers without manual adjustments. It boasts a Core XY structure enabling ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration, making it suitable for rapid prototyping and mass production. The AD5M includes features like rapid nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, quick warm-up, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy print removal. With dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and support for multiple nozzle sizes and temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, it delivers superior print quality and adaptability for various creative projects. Additionally, the printer supports real-time monitoring and control via the FlashMaker mobile app, enhancing operational convenience and ensuring uninterrupted printing processes. Number 3. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a robust 3D printer designed for precision and ease of use. It features a printing size of 225 by 225 by 280 mm, 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Equipped with an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors, it operates quietly at noise levels as low as 47 to 48 dB. The printer boasts a dual-gear direct extruder made from high-quality stainless steel, offering a 3:1 reduction ratio for smoother filament feeding and more stable printing, compatible with various filaments including PLA and ABS. Advanced features such as auto bed leveling with a high-precision sensor, dual-synchronized Z-axis lead screws, and a 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley ensure enhanced stability, accuracy, and durability during printing sessions. With components pre-assembled and a comprehensive toolkit provided, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro offers a streamlined setup process for both novice and experienced users alike. Number 4. Creality Ender 3. The Ender 3 V2 Neo by Comgrow is a streamlined 3D printer designed for ease of use and enhanced performance. It features a sturdy aluminum frame and compact dimensions of 17.24 inches in depth, 16.7 inches in width, and 18.58 inches in height, weighing 17.2 pounds. Unlike its predecessor, it comes pre-installed, requiring only 3 simple steps for assembly, making it exceptionally user-friendly and time-saving, especially for beginners. The printer boasts advanced features such as CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling with 16-point technology, ensuring precise printing without the need for manual adjustments. A new 4.3-inch UI interface offers model preview capabilities and supports 9 languages, enhancing user convenience and accessibility. The PC Spring steel magnetic build plate provides excellent adhesion during printing and facilitates easy model removal. Additionally, its silent motherboard and upgraded full metal extruder ensure quiet operation, improved motion stability, and durability, reducing the risk of nozzle blockages. Number 5. Frozen Sonic 3D Printer. The Frozen Sonic Mighty 4K is a multicolored metal 3D printer with a larger printing area and a taller, stronger Z-axis, enabling the production of bigger and taller 3D models with stability and precision. It boasts high 4K resolution and rapid printing capability, thanks to its monochrome LCD printing technology. The matrix light source with 54 UV LED lights ensures quality prints and consistent success, while the printer is compatible with a wide range of 3D printing resins. Additionally, the product dimensions are 11-inch DX11, WX17.3H, and it weighs 9 kilograms, making it suitable for various printing needs and experience levels.